video. In today's video, solve minimum cost to fill given weight in a bag. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array cost of positive integers of size n and integer w, and where cost represent cost of an I kg packet of oranges. Your task is to find minimum cost to buy exactly w kg of oranges. You need to find this, and the cost array has a one based indexing. If buying exactly w kg of oranges is impossible, then it will return -1. Okay. Now understand this. First, we need to know the key point of our problem statement. First key point is we have to cost I, which minus I indicates that I kg packet is unavailable. Okay. Then next key point is we can use an infinite number of any available packet of sizes. Then third key point is our goal is to minimize the cost to purchase exactly w kg of oranges. W kg of oranges. Okay, and now define the approach. First, we define the state. We create a dpj which will represent the minimum cost to buy exactly j kg of oranges. Dpj, and then we will maintain a dp array where dpj will hold minimum cost for j number of kg, this variable, and then we initialize dp array. First, initialize dp to 0 because it is the cost to buy 0 kg of oranges is 0. First we initialize with 0, then we initialize all other entries in dp array to create a large number, indicating that initially it is possible to buy that amount which are you required. Then we fill the dp array, iterate through each possible weight from 1 to w. Then for each weight, iterate through each packet size from 1 to n. And then if a packet size is valid, then it will maintain this to update dp value using minimum of its current value, the cost of including current size of current packet size. Then at the last stage, it will return result. If dpw is still infinity, then it means it is not possible to get exactly w kg of oranges, so it will return -1, or otherwise it will return dpw which contains the minimum cost. Okay, now go to example 1. In example 1, our weight is 5 and input is 5. This is our cost array. Okay, how our target is 5. How can this array, this cost array, this is 1 kg, this is 2 kg, this is 3 kg, this is 4 kg, this is 5 kg, 1 to 5 in this cost array. Then how can we purchase 5 kg weight oranges? First, this is 5 kg means these 2 plus 3, 5. Because we need to find minimum cost, so in this we minimum buy the oranges from this 2 plus 3 kg. This is array 2 and 3. So 2 kg of packet, we need to coin 10 coins. So and 3 kg means this array, this third number array, and these coins need to 4 coins. This value is 4 coins. So then we total the coins 10 plus 4, 14 coins. So in output it will show 14. In second example, our weight, minimum weight to find 5 kg. How we find? In this cost, you can see all our 3 value are negative value, because and it is not our required, because they say that if we find not minimum value, it will show -1. So we need to count positive integers. So there is not we find any combination available packets to get 5 kg. You can see if we purchase, this is 3 kg. This is, we also say this is 1 2 3 4 5. If we count this array, 4 plus 3 means 7. It is not our targeted. Our target is 5 kg. So if we count, we need to input this minus, but this minus is not our targeted. So we find not find any combination available packet, so it will return -1. Pseudocode of this was to initialize and DP array, and weight is w plus 1 with all values set to set infinity. To set infinity, then the base we create cost 5 from init dp will be initialized to 0. Then we iterate through each packet 1 to w in dp array to fill dp array. Then we for wait I we iterate through each packet size 1 to n for j, create a for loop j, then check the current packet size j can be used less than equals to I. Then also it will ensure that packet size j is available post I this also, and then it will update dpi considering minimum of its current value, or it will cost using current size j. Then dp is still infinity, then it is not possible, so it will return -1, or else it will return our updated minimum cost of oranges. Okay, now go to code. In code also explain in pseudocode, initialize an array with infinity, then we initialize dp array with 0, then we fill the dp array, create a for loop, this and these are condition. Then at the last if dp array is infinity, then it will return -1, or it will return minimum oranges. Now compile and run. Now submit. We solved today's problem. See you in next video. Still and bye bye.